Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from one PayPal account to another in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or just managing multiple accounts, this process is straightforward and secure. PayPal has made some updates for 2025 to enhance user experience, like faster transfers and improved security features, so let's get started right away. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the official website or app. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request tab, usually found on the homepage or in the main menu. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on Send Money. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Type in their email address or mobile number associated with their PayPal account. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Nothing worse than sending money to the wrong person. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal will show you the currency based on your settings, but if you're dealing with international transfers, select the right one to avoid conversion fees. Add a personal note if you like, such as, "For dinner last night," to make it clear what the payment is for. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. PayPal might display any potential fees, especially for transfers outside your country, so keep an eye on that. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm and enter your PayPal password or use biometric verification for added security. And just like that, the money should be on its way. Transfers are usually instant if both accounts are in the same country, but it might take a day or two for international ones. Remember, PayPal protects both sender and receiver, so if anything goes wrong, you can dispute it. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe with your finances, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.